I've been using DDR memory since 2021, and the first brand that came to the lab was XPG. Hi, I'm Fries. This video is about the XPG Lancer RGB DDR5. As seen here, the RAM comes with a white colored piece at the top for RGB LED, while the rest of the heatsink is of a brushed metal finish. The RGB LED looks great, diffused through the white plastic, and can be controlled through the motherboard's ARGB LED software or whichever alternative software you have in the market. With me here is the DDR5 6000 megatransfers per second CL40 kit, and paired with my Intel Core i5 13600K, my ASRock Z690 Taichi motherboard, and a colorful RTX 4080 graphics card. Here are the benchmarks I have when using this kit for 1080p and 1440p in gaming. As for productivity workload, I tested it with Cinebench R23 and it works as it should. With that said, if you are looking for a reputable brand of product for your DDR5 memory, check out products from XPG such as this one, the Lancer RGB DDR5. XPG is a gaming brand from ADATA, which is a reputable brand. They have been around for a long time. ADATA is a brand that you know when it comes to storage components. Alright, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and bye bye.